This is my birthday maintenance vlog. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing the half up half down hairstyle using hair extensions. I've always wanted to try this hairstyle, but I was worried for a little while about heat damage, and now I'm at a place where I just want to have fun, more fun in my life, more fun with my hair, etc. And this is my birthday hairstyle, so it's been a long time coming. I was born on the 10th of November, so the video is going up late, but it was pre-recorded. And yeah, just sit back and relax and watch me glam myself up. I had a full glam night at home. My sister did my makeup, I did my nails, I did my hair, and I got dressed up. You'll see the pictures at the end. I looked absolutely gorgeous. Prior to getting dressed up, I did go out and have a full body massage. I did some retail therapy, and yeah, we just had a nice family dinner at home, and it was the bee's knees. I loved it. I'm glad I didn't spend too much money, and I'm glad I still did something, and I had supportive family around me. Mistake number 1. In future, I will always double my wefts. I now need to learn this lesson because I've made this mistake in the past. I will always double my wefts, especially at the back of my head, especially at the back of a sew-in. That would be my advice to my future self, and that would be my advice to my viewers. Now I'm going in to straighten my hair using the Touch Iron Straightener by Cloud9. I've had it for 1 year now. It's still performing very well and it's doing a very good job with straightening my hair. All in all, I did use 2 bundles of 18-inch body wave hair, and the hair is from My Hair Company. Mistake number 2. I should not have used spritz or beeswax. Beeswax did nothing for my hair to give it hold or longevity. Spritz did nothing for my hair to give it hold or longevity. It actually started to revert once I put the spritz on because spritz is water based. So in the future I will be using a super holding spray and some type of edge wax gel, and hopefully that will give me a better hold and longevity to the hairstyle. So all in all, I had a lot of fun wearing this hairstyle. I got a ton of compliments and the hair extensions held up very, very well. The only thing, as I said, in future I would double the wefts, so I would probably need 3 full bundles as opposed to 2 full bundles. Again, the style is what I wanted to do, so it's been 3 years in the making and I'm finally doing it. Loved it, and I would do it again. I'm gonna do some more videos with the half up, half down so that I can perfect my skills and perfect this hairstyle on myself and on others. The hair is from my hair company. I would leave all that information down below. And another thing, the curls did save the hairstyle because it allowed the hairstyle to look more full, more thick. So it wasn't too bad, being that I only used 2 bundles. The curls did save it, but in future I would definitely go ahead and use 3 bundles. And what else do I want to say? I thoroughly enjoyed this hairstyle. I don't want to ramble on, but leave a pink and red heart if you've made it this far in the video. This is my end results. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.